With all the talk in the news about gender bender, Bruce Jenner, there's one entity that's kind of being left out. No, I'm not talking about his male self or how female he feels today, and that would help him if he decides to switch back. I don't know if they have operations for that. But there is definitely one entity that's not being talked about. It's a veritable media blackout. So we're going to give the attention where attention is deserved and due. And speaking of due, without further ado, or should we say MEE-YOOH, Bruce Jenner's dog.